Do you hear that inner call? It echoes within you every time you postpone the important, choose the easy path, or allow yourself to be weak. It's not just a voice, it's a battle between your nature and your potential, between who you are today and who you are meant to become. Today we turn to the ancient wisdom of the samurai, warriors who knew no laziness, who conquered not only enemies, but also themselves. This path is not for the weak, but if you clicked on this video, you're ready. This is not just advice, but principles that will help you overcome your most cunning habits. 5 steps, 5 battles, 5 victories. Join us. Let the path of the warrior begin. A samurai always began a battle by studying the enemy. Your first battle is awareness. Laziness is not an innocent habit, but a hidden enemy that destroys your life from within. A simple example. You have a goal to start working out, but every evening you postpone it until tomorrow. You don't realize how exactly this happens. It just seems like you're not in the mood or didn't get enough sleep. But this is laziness disguised as logical excuses. Start a laziness observation journal. Every time you don't do what you were supposed to, write down, what did you feel? What stopped you? What excuse did you give yourself? Within a week, you'll see recurring patterns. This is the face of your enemy. Practice 10 minutes of silence each day. Sit and simply observe your thoughts. Write down which thoughts most often lead you away from action. A samurai never acted blindly. He first identified the threat. Every evening you avoid your task by watching YouTube. Become mindful. Notice it. Write it down. Take a step back. That's your first step to control. When you stop fighting blindly, you become a strategist. You don't fight emotionally, you plan victory. The samurai's katana symbolized clarity and determination. It knew no compromise. You must act the same way in your life. Build a morning ritual. Don't start your day in chaos. Example, put away your phone, take a cool shower, prepare a hearty breakfast, do some light exercise. Make a plan for the day. It may seem simple, but these rituals launch your brain into action mode. You train your mind not to think, but to act. Delete apps that waste your time. Use blockers like Freedom, Cold Turkey, or similar services. Designate sacred hours, e.g. from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. No distractions. Every time you feel the urge to open Instagram, set a 5-minute timer, do some physical activity, and then reassess. Do you really need it? A samurai didn't wait to feel like training. He trained daily. So should you. Develop iron discipline. Act even when you don't feel like it. That's true freedom. Addictions are not enemies to be destroyed. They are wild beasts to be tamed. Find the core energy of your dependency. Do you overeat? Perhaps you're seeking comfort. Binge watch shows? Maybe you're avoiding reality. Mindless scrolling? Perhaps you don't know how to rest mindfully. Now, replace, don't destroy, redirect the energy. Instead of sweets, eat nuts or fruits. Instead of YouTube, try 5 minutes of meditation. Instead of gaming, take a 10-minute walk outside. Create a habit transformation table. Every time a trigger appears, write it down and record your new response. In a month, you'll build a new behavioral pattern. You used to eat late at night. Now you make tea, read 2 pages of a book, and go to bed at the same time. Within a week, this new habit replaces the old. A samurai didn't suppress force, he learned to direct it. Do the same. Let your inner beast serve you. True strength lies in repetition. A samurai could practice one strike for years. If you want to change yourself, become a master of repetition. Set your minimum honor, a daily task you must complete. 1 page of a book, 5 minutes of stretching, 1 thought in your journal. Even on tough days, you don't skip your minimum. You build the muscle of willpower. Every such day is a brick in the foundation of your new identity. Use a habit tracker. Mark every day when you complete your minimum honor. Watch your streak grow. It's visual motivation. After 30 days of daily 5-minute stretching, you're more flexible and have reinforced your identity. You are someone who follows through. The warrior's path is not about drama, but discipline. Don't chase results. Build the path. When the outer battle is won, the inner one begins. Doubts, worries, mental chaos, these are just as harmful as bad habits. Practice meditation. Sit in silence. Set a 10-minute timer. Just breathe. When thoughts come, don't analyze them, just observe. It's like wooden sword training. You're learning to control your focus. After 2 weeks of practice, you'll notice you calm down faster during stress. Your mind stops jumping. It starts listening. Create a Zen corner, a place with no gadgets or tasks. Have a candle, a book, maybe a symbol that reminds you of your path. Spend 10 minutes a day there. It's not wasted time, it's spiritual recovery. When you feel like giving up, return to that place. Breathe. Remember why you started. A samurai didn't win through rage, but through clarity. And you'll grow stronger if you stop reacting and start acting from your inner center. You fought 5 battles. You saw the enemy and did not retreat. You picked up the sword of discipline and cut away weakness. You tamed habits, built consistency, and found peace. This isn't just motivation, it's a path, the warrior's path. A samurai wasn't born strong, he became strong, step by step. So will you. Today is your first step. Don't promise to change everything overnight. Promise never to give up. The path is long, but you already have everything you need to walk it. Want to defeat laziness, addictions, and weakness? Then become someone who doesn't need motivation. Become someone who moves, because it is his path. You are a warrior, and your battle is just beginning. If this video helped you, honor the path, subscribe so you don't lose direction, leave a like to strengthen your journey, comment, share the battle you're fighting right now. You are a warrior, and you are not alone.